Okay, so still fighting with the engine misfire, code P300300. So I removed the camshaft sensor, which is, this is the old one, which you can see it has some, I don't know, like white residue here, I don't know. So it seems to be bad. I hope this is the, so I ordered one off of Amazon. It was like around 10 bucks actually, with two of them, and it has good reviews. So I decided to try the cheap one, and if it's gonna work, I'm gonna maybe buy like a more expensive one. So yeah, let's try this new one and let's see if the misfire is gonna finally be fixed, hopefully.